So we're back on our boat again, and we got some projects that we can get done, and we've got Russell, Simone's brother. So we didn't have a proper swivel system before, and now we got this one. So there's no wind at the moment, so we're going to take the chance and change the furling line. So now we've got these, and we can hang our lines on it and just neatens up the cockpit.
Need some muscle, you must let me know.
Oh, thanks,
I'm real muscle.
Oh, damn!
Welcome to Sailing Lady Africa. I'm Ricky, and this is my wife Simone.
After 2 years of hard work on our boat, she's finally ready to take us from South Africa across the Atlantic to the Bahamas. Be sure to join in our adventures by subscribing down below. So my family's here, it's nice having them here. We're gonna get a few boat tasks done and have fun at the same time, but priority is to get our boat stuff done so that when we do come back from visiting family in Pretoria and stuff, that our boat is complete. We are ready to go and we just need to provision. There are mixed signals from Namibia, from what we've heard from other people, that we might have to quarantine for 2 weeks. We might not have to and just do a COVID test. It's all wishy-washy at the moment, so we're kind of not too sure what's going to happen, but we're not going to worry about something that we have no control over. So we're going to have a good time and spend it with our families, and then worry about that stuff when we do return. If you are from Namibia and you kind of do know what's going on, leave us a comment below letting us know, and that'd be really nice. Let's get some work done, and we're gonna have my brother and mom help us out.
So we're back on our boat again, and we got some projects that we can get done, and we've got Russell, Simone's brother, and Simone's mom, which is in the room still. But what better time than getting things done when you got some extra hands? So perfect. We've got to change one of the halyards for the Genoa. We've got to run a new furling line, because that one's slightly too short. Once she's all the way filled, we don't have reach to go over one of the winches if we just want to ease it out or pull it in slightly. So just have that access, so we're going to change that. Tension the rig because we want to go sailing, and because she's stretched a little bit more, and hopefully this will be the last tensioning that we do on her now. I think get gas. Got 2 gas bottles. We got an extra one, and so we're going to get them filled up and then get that done. So, and I think that's it. So southern ropes, we're going to go get a new halyard there. Yeah, so today's going to be productive. Let's go. Gotta get some food first, priorities straight, and then we get to work. Let's cruise. How's the cheese girl? That's good, eh? Very good. We mounted this bracket over here, which is to hold this gas bottle, so we can dedicate one gas bottle to the barbecue. That's a perfect fit. Oh, that's not going to come off. That's good. And we'll just going to change these 2 fittings to stainless steel before they rust away. Like that. Okay, awesome. Oh, yep, that's already rusted, stuck. We're gonna have to get a socket on that, although then we'll cut it off. Gonna make me get the heat gun. So we'll trash that old sucker.
Need some muscle, you must let me know.
Oh, thanks.
Some real muscle.
Probably gonna make this turn around and face the other way. Woo! Got fire, baby!
Looking good.
That's looking good. I've got some more of these lava rocks. That's way worker. Those lava rocks are working the charm now. We're gonna be good. That's way better heat. But I think I need a hole up top here. There's a lot of heat getting trapped inside there. I thought these vents on the side would have taken it out, but it's not hot enough, so there's like a layer of heat still staying inside there. And I singed all my hairs. Yeah, she's good now. It's good for the next prime. Someone's wondering why we're starting our barbecue up here in the marina. Bring me beer some! So we didn't have a proper swivel system before, and now we got this one, and that's to avoid the chain from wrapping up on the anchor system. So now it'll pretty much rotate all the time like that. So if this anchor goes down, you swing around and it twists, that'll twist and not bring the anchor up in, or the anchor chain up in a whole big bundle. So let's get that done. Okay, go. You gotta press hard. Russ, you want to bring the toolbox, please?
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to alert you every time we upload a new episode. And don't forget to like this video. It's a free way you can support our channel.
This one just wasn't cutting it.
Yeah, I wasn't doing it. Not good enough. Just put there, and that's the third gas bottle. And so we store a whole bunch of stuff, some extra spare lines. So there's no wind at the moment, so we're going to take the chance and change the furling line. She's slightly short and we can't get her around the winch. If we need that extra purchase, so we're going to do that. I just kind of manhandle it all the time if I want to furl her up, but I think maybe for Simone it might be easier if we just give her the opportunity to put her around the winch, and want it longer anyways. So let's get that done. It means we've got to change this line out and put a longer one in. So if you can just loosen the clutch right at the back there, the clutch for the furler, if you can loosen that, and then I'll start with this. So the next step I need to do is, we have a little bit of slack in the forestay, and so I need to tension up on this bottle screw over here. So we're just going to ease up, or ease one of these off, get it out of the way, and tighten up on the bottle screw so we can get a lot more tension on that forestay, because at the moment the mast is slightly leaning backwards, but it's just because the rig is kind of still settling and stuff. So get that tensioned up and we're good. But first I've got to release the Genoa halyard, so that I don't pull anything out of place and pull too much tension on the bottom bracket. Not that it would break it, but it's just kind of best practice. There's plenty polony on that one now. So we're done with that forestay tensioning, and now we got one of these lower backstays that are, it's not like loose, but there's like, it could still be a slightly bit tighter, so we're gonna set them both up to get tightened up together, and then that'll be hopefully the last that we tension the rig in South Africa. And then when we get to the Caribbean, we'll see what the heat does, and if we need to do anything, then we'll adjust it there. We'll make it spot. That's perfect. So now we've got these, and we can hang our lines on it, and just neatens up the cockpit, because Simone's kind of been putting all the lines there. It looks really neat, so I drilled those holes there. We're hopefully going to hang them all neatly. So let's see how it turns out. Do you want a flying fish, Russ, or rather a castle line?
There's more.
Flying fish or castle line?
I know you want a flying
There's a
fish.
new Amstel
Do you
one
want a
that's
castle
also quite nice.
And there's an Amstel.
Ah, let's do flying fish. It's been a long time.
Cheers. It's been a long day. We deserve it.
Cheers.
I think we got to crack it first. Though. Ooh, it's a boy.
Babes, my mom broke our pump.
We're bloody old people. We break pumps.
You feel that you broke our pump? So we're replacing our pump for our shower and basin.
Sure, this is not the same pump. Where's another pump?
Use the Vetus one, then we know we're okay. Vetus don't break. That stuff breaks. Ricky's not having a good morning. So Ricky fixed our pump. Looky, we got water.
These pressure switches, man.
That's all you need.
Oh shit.
But now we're good. That's a Vitas pump in there. We should be solid.
We couldn't just make my family work and had to include some playtime and met up with friends and took a trip to Ernie Els Wine Farm for lunch. Yo! No pressure, hun. No pressure. Oh, damn!
So hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode and have an awesome weekend.
And subscribe if you haven't. Push the bell for notifications and like the video.
If you guys want to become part of the Patreon family, check the link down in the description below. And we'll see you guys next week where me and Russell kick out some more work. Simone gives us a hand, and then we put Simone's mom to work.
Russell is me with the beard.
I'm the handsome you.
You're the handsome.
And don't forget to eat your pickles. Get all your veggies in, kids.
Too legit. Too legit to quit. Too legit. Too legit to quit. Come on, finish the song.
Gee my tappie.
Want tappie, maak my happy.
Gee my gin.
Gin maak my gin.
No.
Gin. Dagen maak my bladder dun.
Gee my bier.
Want bier maak my
'n groot tier.
No, babes. You're ruining it.